When you step into a modern California home, the first thing you notice isn't just the design, it's the feeling. There's a lightness, a sense of openness, a calm energy that makes the space instantly inviting. This is the West Coast style that homeowners and designers alike crave, and today we're exploring it in depth here on QS2. It's more than a look. It's a lifestyle that blends indoor comfort with outdoor freedom, and every element, from materials to layout, has a purpose. The heart of this style begins with light. Expansive floor-to-ceiling windows frame the landscape, whether it's a city skyline, the coastline, or a manicured backyard. Natural light floods the interiors, making neutral palettes feel alive rather than flat. Walls are often soft shades of cream, taupe, or warm white, paired with light wood floors that add warmth and texture without overwhelming the senses. It's a delicate balance. Everything feels curated yet effortless, polished yet approachable. The open floor plan is key to this effortless flow. In a modern California home, the living room, dining area, and kitchen often merge into one continuous space, encouraging interaction and movement. Furniture placement isn't just functional, it's strategic. Sofas and chairs are arranged to maximize conversation while leaving pathways open, guiding you naturally from one area to the next. The materials are luxurious but subtle. Linen, leather, wool, and reclaimed woods bring tactile depth. Accents are minimal, often a single sculptural piece or an artful vase, which allows the architecture itself to shine. One of the most striking aspects of West Coast design is the seamless transition between indoors and outdoors. Sliding glass doors, retractable panels, and covered patios extend living spaces beyond the walls, creating an environment where the boundaries between interior and exterior dissolve. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about lifestyle. Morning coffee on a sunlit terrace, evening gatherings under pergolas, or yoga in the backyard with a view of the hills. The architecture supports living well. Kitchens in these homes are both functional and aspirational. Matte finishes, hidden hardware, and handleless cabinetry create clean lines that feel modern yet timeless. Islands are generous, often doubling as informal dining areas or gathering points for friends and family. Appliances are integrated and sophisticated, emphasizing efficiency without sacrificing style. Lighting is carefully considered, from recessed ceilings to statement pendants that draw the eye while casting warm, even illumination. Countertops are often light-toned quartz or natural stone, balancing durability with understated elegance. The color palette, again, remains neutral, but texture and material choices prevent it from feeling cold or clinical. Open shelving is a hallmark, allowing homeowners to display curated ceramics or glassware, adding personality without clutter. Bedrooms embody tranquility. Neutral tones dominate, complemented by layered textiles. Plush rugs, linen bedding, and soft throws create an environment designed for relaxation. Large windows or sliding doors not only bring in light, but also connect the room to private outdoor spaces, whether it's a balcony, garden, or courtyard. Furniture is minimal but thoughtful. Low-profile beds, floating nightstands, and built-in storage maintain the sense of openness. Lighting is subtle, often a mix of concealed LEDs and soft bedside lamps, reinforcing the calming atmosphere. Closets are functional and elegant, often featuring built-in organizers, full-length mirrors, and soft-closed drawers that enhance the feeling of effortless luxury. Bathrooms are another area where West Coast modern homes excel. Think spa-like serenity. Freestanding tubs, frameless glass showers, and natural stone or wood accents. Matte black fixtures or brushed metals create contrast without dominating the space. Lighting is layered, combining natural light with soft overhead illumination and task lighting for mirrors. Every surface is chosen for both beauty and practicality, supporting a lifestyle that values ease and wellness. Even small touches like underfloor heating or towel warmers reflect the attention to comfort that defines the style. Storage and organization play an understated yet critical role in maintaining the uncluttered aesthetic. Built-in cabinetry, hidden pantries, and multipurpose furniture keep the visual flow intact. The beauty of this approach is that everything has a place, yet the home never feels rigid or sterile. It's this harmony between functionality and design that creates spaces people genuinely want to live in. Outdoor areas often rival the interiors in importance. Patios with fire pits, infinity pools, and landscape gardens extend living areas and invite connection with nature. Materials are consistent with the indoors: natural stone, light wood decking, and neutral fabrics, creating a cohesive experience. Landscaping is clean and intentional, featuring native plants that thrive in California's climate, while reinforcing the minimal, modern aesthetic. Even outdoor furniture is considered part of the overall design, with sculptural loungers, low-profile seating, and soft cushions enhancing comfort without compromising style. Lighting throughout these homes is as much architectural as functional. Recessed lighting highlights pathways, pendant lights frame key areas, and ambient illumination creates mood in living areas and bedrooms alike. Daylight is treated as a design element, while artificial light accentuates textures, colors. While focal points, the interplay between natural and artificial light ensures that the home feels alive at any hour. Art and decor in modern California homes are restrained but intentional. Oversized paintings, abstract sculptures, and carefully selected ceramics punctuate spaces without overwhelming them. Statement rugs or textiles add subtle color and pattern, balancing the neutral foundation. The rule here is sophistication without excess. Each piece tells a story, complements the surroundings, and reflects the homeowner's taste without dominating it. Sustainability is increasingly a part of the West Coast aesthetic. Homes often feature energy-efficient appliances, solar panels, and sustainably sourced materials. This approach isn't just practical, it aligns with the lifestyle ethos of health, wellness, and mindful living. Reclaimed woods, eco-friendly finishes, and low-maintenance landscaping reflect a consciousness that feels integral to the space rather than an afterthought. The emotional appeal of a modern California home lies in its ability to make everyday living feel exceptional. It's a space where function and beauty coexist effortlessly, where every detail, from cabinetry finishes to landscape design, serves both practical and aesthetic purposes. For homeowners, this means less clutter, more light, and a constant connection to nature. For guests, it creates an experience that feels curated yet inviting, luxurious yet unpretentious. What makes West Coast design especially appealing is its adaptability. These principles translate across homes of various sizes, from sprawling estates to city apartments. Open layouts, neutral palettes, and natural materials work whether your backyard overlooks the Pacific Ocean or a bustling urban street. It's about creating a sense of freedom and calm that's universally desirable, no matter the square footage. If you're imagining your own space, consider the core elements that define this style: openness, light, seamless indoor-outdoor flow, natural materials, and restrained, intentional decor. Even small changes, a lighter palette, a new window treatment, or a piece of natural wood furniture, can create that airy, tranquil feeling. Think about how each element interacts. Light enhances texture, furniture defines movement, and art punctuates without overpowering. It's a holistic approach that prioritizes living well over simply decorating. QS Tube is all about exploring these environments and sharing insights that go beyond the surface. So, if you've enjoyed this walkthrough, take a moment to like the video and share your thoughts in the comments. What part of West Coast style resonates most with you? Do you prefer indoor-outdoor flow, minimalist kitchens, or spa-inspired bathrooms? Your input helps shape future explorations and makes this community more interactive. And of course, subscribing ensures you won't miss our next in-depth home tour, where we'll continue uncovering the design logic and lifestyle behind modern, aspirational homes. By now, you can see that a modern California home is more than just a trend. It's a mindset, a philosophy of living where comfort, beauty, and nature coexist effortlessly. Whether you're planning your own redesign or simply looking for inspiration, the principles here offer timeless guidance. Prioritize light, Embrace natural materials, create fluid spaces. And let simplicity guide your choices. The result is a home that feels open, luxurious, and deeply personal. Exactly the kind of environment where life feels elevated yet unforced. Every detail, from floors to fixtures, is chosen to enhance not just appearance but experience, making daily routines feel like they belong in a magazine spread, while still being lived in, loved, and comfortable. This is modern California living. Thoughtful, elegant, and naturally beautiful. It's West Coast style distilled into spaces that nurture the senses, inspire creativity, and encourage a life well lived. Walking through these homes, it's impossible not to feel the balance they strike between luxury and simplicity, design and functionality, indoor and outdoor. It's aspirational but achievable, serene but dynamic, modern but timeless. And for homeowners everywhere, it's a reminder that great design is never just about how a space looks. It's about how it feels, moves, and adapts to the way we live.